Preparing the fabric, parchment paper, then organza. Next is fusible interfacing. The main fabric is glitter tulle. I place it so I get the most out of my fabrics. Glitter tulle grabs every little thing it can latch onto. Arranging and rearranging till I'm satisfied with the placement. Pinning all the layers in place by heating the layers. They stick together because of the double-sided fusible interfacing. Since it's a glue-based interfacing, it balls up. That's what I'm scratching away in several places. I don't use steam, just heat. The fusible interfacing is so thin it rips open because of the hot steam. The parchment paper protects my ironing board. Here you see me using steam, but I don't recommend it. Without the parchment paper, my fabrics would be fused to my ironing board.